I promise the final reveal is unlike anything you've ever seen on a tattoo channel. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Now, let's talk gear. Working with UV inks is a whole different game. These fluorescent pigments are thicker and they dry out fast, so you've got to work efficiently. You'll notice I have a UV torch handy because under normal lights, these colors are almost invisible. Now, about the color mixing. For the tree trunk, I didn't use a pre-made brown. I mixed my own using standard red, yellow, and blue. And for the greens, since I didn't have a dark forest green, I blended bright green with a touch of blue to create that deep, vibrant forest tone. It's all about the mix. Trust your machine, trust your colors, and stay tuned because later on I'll tell you exactly what UV tattoo ink is and how it actually works. Now, let's start laying down this glowing magic.
Let's get serious and talk about the science behind the glow. What exactly is UV tattoo ink? Most people are misinformed. They think it is radioactive, but that is a myth. These inks contain fluorescent submicron pigments that react to specific wavelengths of ultraviolet light. They do not glow in the dark on their own. They need a black light to wake them up. For this project, the team at Wormhole Tattoo sent me their latest professional set to test how these pigments handle complex layering. When you are working with a brand at this level, you can really notice the difference in quality. The main difference is the chemical stability and the safety of the carrier fluid. Regarding health, is it FDA approved? Technically, the FDA does not approve any tattoo pigments for injection into the skin, but UV inks are even more scrutinized. This is why you never buy cheap, unbranded ink. Many low-quality UV inks contain phosphorus, which is extremely toxic and can cause severe skin burns or long-term complications. Always look for formulas that are metal-free and phosphorus-free. Common question: is it safe for everyone? The answer is mostly, but you must always perform a patch test. UV pigments are more prone to causing reactions because of the fluorescent particles. Regarding the application and technique, UV ink is much thinner and more translucent than standard ink. It dries almost instantly on your needle, leading to clogs. You have to clean your tips more often and work in smaller sections. Because you are essentially tattooing light, your depth control must be perfect. If the ink is too deep, the dermis will bury the glow. If it's too shallow, it will wash out. Here's how to handle the process correctly. First, make sure to keep your UV torch on while working. Since the ink is translucent, it's easy to miss spots or oversaturate the skin, which leads to scarring. Also, avoid mixing UV ink with too much distilled water, as it can break down the pigment's ability to react to light. It is also vital to warn your client about the healing phase. The skin often feels tighter and drier than with standard black ink. Most importantly, never forget the sun. If the tattoo is not protected from UV rays with high SPF sunscreen, the fluorescent reaction will degrade much faster than standard ink. My secret tip? To make the tattoo truly pop and look 3D, always combine UV highlights with standard pigments for shadows. This contrast is what creates a masterpiece. Understanding these rules is the difference between a scratcher and a master of the craft.
I hope this guide helped you truly understand these incredible pigments. I created this piece in honor of all the hard-working tattoo artists out there who put in endless hours, day and night, to master their craft. This one is for you. Merry Christmas to every single one of you. If you enjoyed this journey, do not forget to like and subscribe for more masterclasses. See you in the next one.